Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Tempo Pro. Tempo is a powerful video editing app that lets you create stunning short videos using music sync features, transition effects and stylish template. While the free version offers many tools, upgrading to Tempo Pro unlocks premium templates, advanced effects, high resolution export and freedom from watermarks. And in this video you will learn how to upgrade to Tempo Pro step by step. First, you need to open to a Tempo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. And over here from the home screen for the project, you can look for the upgrade. In the top right corner, we can see there's a Pro icon. Select to the Pro icon, and on the Tempo Pro page, you'll see available subscription options such as monthly, annually, lifetime, weekly. Review the features and prices to decide which plan fits your need by simply tapping on any of the plan. And after that, you can simply continue to confirm the purchase, and you'll be prompted to confirm the purchase through your device's app, to your Google Play or Apple app. Follow the payment process and complete to the transaction, and your account will be upgraded once the purchase is successful. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.